A plane vanishes, only to crash into a volcano. But what caused this mysterious accident? On the day Mokuho-go disappeared, reports from the US military sent search efforts, spiraling in the wrong direction. When the wreckage was finally found, it raised even more questions. Why did the plane crash into Mount Mihara when it should have been flying much higher? Investigators suspected pilot error, but with missing communication tapes and only typed records provided, the truth remained elusive. Was it human error, sabotage, or something more sinister? The mystery endures. Follow for more aviation mysteries.